let's create your first mobile application. We have here my interface, my projects. So you have to click your project name, for example B app. Okay, so we have here our interface. So first is to click and drag the button. So as you can see in our viewer, we have the text button 1, then we have the components here, then we have to edit our properties. So delete the text. Okay, then upload file. So I already downloaded the file for our picture, for example this one. Okay, then next we have here the source image. So the image will be this one. Okay, then next we have here the label. So our label will be touch the bee. Okay, so touch the bee. Then let's change some properties. For example, we have 30 for the font size. The back color will be cyan. Then we have here the text color should be blue. Okay, then it should be center align. Okay, so let's have some modification in our properties. Fill parent, the same. Fill parent. Okay, fill parent will adjust your picture up to the end of the screen. Then next, let's have some sound. Click our media, click the sound here anywhere. Then there is an invisible component of our sound. Let's upload the MP3. Or the music of our bee. So let's wait while uploading the music to the App Inventor server. Okay, so we have here, you can see. Then click the sound and we should assign the source file. Okay, so that's it. And then let's go to the blocks. So in our blocks, so we have here the built-in, then we have the screen or the screen 1 in your design. Just click the button 1 here for your user interface. Click the block, button 1 click. So when it is click, what it will do. So it will play the sound. It will play the sound one. Okay, so let's go to the designer. So I think it's done. That is simple. So how to view your application? So click build Android app or APK. So you can do build or you can do here in connect. Okay, so it is downloading. So in our cell phone view, so we have here our code or the QR code. So let's scan. Let's scan the code. So we have here app Inventor, so download online. Okay, then open, then install, open. Okay, so that's it. So okay, so it's working. So it's done. Congratulations, you created your first mobile application.